Okay, class, so I was going out on a drive, and we're kind of out of cell phone range, and so now we have a problem because I don't know where we are. So while we're waiting, I figured I'll give you guys a little bit of a lesson, and then we'll see what happens. So, Math Fundamentals, Chapter 8.1, Basic Geometric Figures. I'm a little stressed right now, so bear with me. Okay, so first thing is page 328. We're going to deal with three things: a point, a line, and a plane. Okay, a point has no length and no width. It's just a single point. It has no length and width. It's just a dot, right? And so the symbol of a point will just be like a letter P. Okay, man, I don't know if I can handle it. I gotta go figure out what's wrong with the car. All right, line. Sorry, stressed right now. Line, that's a line right there, QR. It's a set of all points along a straight path with no endpoint. So it goes on forever this way, it goes on forever that way. We can look at it like, is this QR? It's QR like this with a line over the top, or RQ, because you can go back the other direction with the line. Or you can just say it's line L. I could call it a line L. And then last thing is a plane. A plane is a flat surface, like this piece of paper is a plane, right? And it goes on in all directions. So a flat surface extending endlessly in all directions. It's like the whiteboard would be a plane. This is a plane, goes on all directions. The ceiling would be a plane. And you could look at that as like plane. There's points in it, W, X, and Y. So there's a plane W, X, and Y. All right, I can't do this. I gotta go check what's going on here. I'll get back to you. Okay. There's like a house way up there, but I don't know, we've got, I have to finish this. I got to get it turned in. It's like 1:21 in the morning. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Okay guys, array is just like, it has a point and it goes in one direction forever. So it's a part of a line extending endlessly in the direction from a single point. And we can write that like ST with like a ray on top like that. Ray ST, from S to T. A line segment, a segment is just like a line, but it goes and it stops. It stops here at U and it stops here at V. Man, I am so tired. Oh, I don't know how we're going to do this. I'm about ready. We're going to have to go to see if that house is available to go talk to somebody and get a phone call or something. A segment is part of a line, but it stops. It includes the 2 points and everything in between. And we write that as like a segment UV or a segment VU, depending on which direction you're going. Now, if you have two rays together, a single point B is the vertex. We're going to learn about vertex. A vertex is a single point. The two rays shooting. Ah! I'm scared. Nervous. B going to A and B going to C. All right? This is known as an angle. The stuff in between here will be an angle. And so we could call that angle ABC or angle CBA, or we could just call it angle B. So we have all three of these ways of calling it an angle. It's just two rays with a common endpoint. That endpoint of B right here, that endpoint, is known as a vertex. It's the common endpoint between the two rays. It's just vertex B. All right, we're going to have to use a protractor. I think we're going to have to go see if we can find this house. I'll get the flashlight here, and we're going to go check it out. All right. Bear with me here. I hope you guys can see this. We'll go back to this. I'm going to open this up. This is a protractor. Okay, a protractor has all these angles. There we go. All these angles in here, and like how you use it. I don't know if you can see me up here. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I get shot. This is a protractor here, and what you do is there's a little hole at the very bottom of the protractor, right there. I don't know if you can see that. That shows you where to put the corner or the vertex of this angle. So I'm going to put the hole right there. Okay, if you guys can see that. Oh, perfect. So the hole's right here on my angle that goes across like that. I'm going to make it on the straight edge of that angle. There's moths flying around all over here. And if you notice, this angle goes all the way up here, and it hits, I'm going to turn it. You can see it says 60 there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says 60 right there, and it says 120 right there. We're using, it's a small angle, it's the 60. We're using the 60. So if I put it like this, you can see it goes right through the 60. Okay? I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Oh, that's good. Okay, I think we're going to have to just go. I got to go see that house. So here, wait. There's a garage up here. I don't know if anyone's in it or not, but I want to get this done before I go in. and maybe we'll just stay there tonight, I guess. So an acute angle, normally at this time, I would make some joke about how, oh, it's a small little, acute little angle, but I'm just not in the mood. So you can see here, that's a 20-degree angle. It's a small little acute angle, and that just means it's less than 90 degrees. Acute just means less than 90. Work with me here. I don't have any jokes because I'm kind of stressed. But if you have, here a 90-degree angle, we're going to call that a right angle. Okay, 90 degrees is a right angle. So that's just a regular old 90-degree angle, straight up and down. And then if you have something that's obtuse, that's a big old fatty angle. I gotta be quiet, I shouldn't be talking that loud. A big fatty angle, like an obtuse with like obese, obtuse, right? That's what it's saying there, big fat angle above 90. It's more than 90. All right, so that's it for the lesson. I'm gonna go check. You can see the garage here, there's a house over there.
I don't think you should go.
What are we gonna do? It's like 2 in the morning.
We can't go into their garage.
There's not gonna be anybody in the garage. I'm not going in the house.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. Wait, what are you doing?